Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can start streaming on Twitch totally for free and really simple. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So I'm going to read you to an article showing you the basic steps in order to basically start streaming on Twitch. So obviously firstly here I have to create an account. The first thing that you should do before you start actually streaming and not just using it for entertainment is making sure that you've studied the community guidelines. So basically you're sure that you won't break any rules while streaming. The second one is creating your account. Then you'll have to enable the two-factor authentication, and after that you'll have to get some software in order to start streaming. For example, you can get OBS Studio, which is the best option as a beginner. You can also get Streamlabs OBS. You can get XSplit and vMix. Now after you've done that, you need to make sure that you have capable hardware in order to actually stream it. For example, these are some few components that you will be needing. The CPU, which is a processor, it will need to handle simultaneous gaming and encoding. You will need a fairly strong CPU. The GPU, an NVIDIA RTX graphics card has built-in hardware encoders, and you can use it with OBS Studio to lend the CPU a hand. Platform, you can use a PC, but also a Mac and even a laptop. You need a good one if you want to use it for gaming and broadcasting though. Overall, you can start streaming with an i5 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, a solid internet connection. You'll also need a microphone and maybe a camera. But now this is up to you. For example, some popular choices for microphones are Zolman, Mano, Blue Yeti, Nano, Samsung, and Blue Yeti X. And here are some popular choices for webcams: Logitech HD Pro, Microsoft Livecam, Logitech C922, Razer Kio, and Logitech Rio. Also some additional start streaming gear should be some lighting, green screen, game capture card, and the Stream Deck. After you've done that, basically you should be good to go. And then you can start streaming on Twitch and basically entertain other people. That's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope after showing you this article you can figure out what you need to stream, what you need in order to be able to stream on Twitch. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one.